are going to be installing Hunter Douglas blinds. I was able to order a set, and I was thinking, you know, how can we kind of save some money and not and do it yourself? So install your own designer blinds instead of having an installer come out and, you know, pay the installation fee. It's super simple, and what we're gonna do is take it out of the box and get it all set up. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna clear the area and the space free so that I'm able to install it without any hesitation or anything in my way. So we'll do that first. We've got our clean space. It's clear. We're able to go ahead and install. First step, clean your windows. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll let it sit for just a couple minutes. Tip and trick that I do is when I'm done getting and using up all the wipes into the Lysol container, I actually pour some hot water into the remaining mixture, and actually it makes a mixture to clean anything. So if you're really running low on cleaner, I'm not, but I like to get every single drop out of every product, if you know what I mean. So this is the way to go. Pour some hot water in here and it actually makes up your own solution. And it's portable. We have everything done. The window's cleaned. I'm sure you saw me clean it, which was pretty boring. Gotta get tools, I'll be right back. Okay, so I've made my markings and I'm gonna go in and drill holes so that I don't ruin the wood. Any professional that installs blinds knows to pre-drill your holes because you could have dry spots in your wood which creates cracking and you don't really want to put extra work into something you're just installing. So I'll go get the drill bit, we'll start drilling out the hole for each pilot where I'm gonna put the screws in, and then after that we'll get to installing. See how easy it is when you do your drill holes or your pilot holes? You don't have to worry about having anybody else as help. So when you live alone, then it'll be easier for you to just kind of see how you just kind of put them through, and then get yourself set up for success so you're ready to rock and roll. And then just screw the remaining in, just like so. one more bracket to go, and then we're hanging it up, guys. And I have a trusty helper that is going to help me put this up because they would like to do it with me. So here we go, guys. Yay! We got our Hunter Douglas blind up, guys. That was that simple. So now what we have to do is we need to install the cord, okay, so that the mechanism actually works. So again, I showed you these two pieces here, and this is the beaded chain loop installation. It does come with installation instructions. Hallelujah! Unfortunately, the blind didn't. So we installed our cord tensioner, and we also installed our Hunter Douglas blinds. This installation would have probably cost you $150 to $200, and you are saving this by super easy installation. All you do is you mount the clamps, you clip it on, after so you do the pull cord installation, and then you will have your blinds all set up and ready to go. This is the final product. And we did get California shutters, so just an FYI, we can keep it, we can keep it kind of closed like that, so we still get light, but also, you still see like the outdoors. I absolutely love the fact that they all have this like amazing pinstripe effect to them. And it really makes the house look really classy, to be honest with you. And those are them, you guys. So now, if you wanted to roll them up, you can. You simply just pull the cord and go ahead like so. You can also pull them down for more privacy. As you can tell, if you look like that, they are completely non-transparent. No one's gonna see in here. I love the fact that you do kind of get a little bit of a lighting effect. So the light filters through the shade, but it doesn't actually will come into the shade. The great thing about these is that they're UV protected and they'll last a long time. Hunter Douglas is known for the quality in every product that they make. And I really wanted to buy something that was custom made for this house, and you should do the same. You can go to any blind store that sells Hunter Douglas, and a consultant will actually come into your home, measure out the windows, measure out what's been done, and it's all set to go. So without further ado, it's that simple, you guys. We have our Hunter Douglas blind shades all set up and raring to go. So we'll keep the window open because I feel like it's still daylight out, but I absolutely love the blind. I think they're absolutely amazing, and I think that for anybody that's going for a designer blind that wants a little bit more better quality within your blind, you definitely want to go with a designer blind. The material the overall look. And also, if you think about it, this is all the same color as the blind as well. So it's absolutely stunning and breathtaking. So once again, guys, thanks for tuning in. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.